Welcome back to the mini-series on the 12 universal laws. So we are on to number 10, which is the law of polarity, which is that everything has an opposite. And in particular, this human experience is very dualistic. You know, there is night and day, there is sun and moon, there is like black and white concepts, there is male, female, there are like all of these things that are quite dualistic, you know, happiness, sadness, positive, negative emotions. Of course, a lot of these are human constructs, but a lot of our reality does come around this polarity. And it basically states that everything in life has an opposite. So this can also help us to think about what might be going on in our subconscious mind, because if we are, like from a manifesting perspective, if we are manifesting something and we're like consciously focusing on it and putting that intention out into the universe, and it is not happening, it could be that our subconscious, which it usually does, wants the opposite because it's keeping us safe in some way. So by understanding the law of polarity, we can understand that within us there is light, there is dark, there is conscious, there is subconscious, and we can shine a light on what is going on in our subconscious mind, in our shadows. And this law of polarity also helps us to see that in the quantum field, there is light and there is dark. And sometimes we do have to clear and transmute those dark energies. So this is where I've seen a lot of spiritual techniques go wrong, is that they are actually in denial of the dark and the dark energies that are out there. And when we do that, it doesn't mean that they don't affect us. It just means that like the wool is pulled over our eyes with it. So we need to be aware of this light and dark, both within us and in the energies as well. And this is where the law of polarity can really help with this one and deepen that manifestation and spiritual work, energy work, a little bit more deeply. So if you are resonating with this series, my new course Magnetic Mastery is for you. I have a limited number of spots at the launch price of £27, and then it is going up to its full price of 111. The link is in my bio.